friends try and hunt me down and stop me from beating Minecraft. The 5 Hunters series has over 145 million views already, and this could be the final matchup. Can they stop me from beating the Ender Dragon, or will I survive? This is it. Minecraft Manhunt. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free, you can always change your mind. Enjoy the video. Why do I know that's George's keyboard sound? Go! You're right behind me. How did you... You're right behind me. How did you... Actually, how did you acquire... Oh my god! You were right behind me. How did you acquire hardware?
A zombie dropped an iron.
Oh,
Yes.
they're there.
Get him, get him.
Go back, go.
Guys, we're coming. We're right behind you.
Oh my god.
Swim, Frost.
I'm right here. I'm so close. Wait, what? He boated off the edge.
Kill him!
He's
We're right
so
behind you.
quick.
There's so many bombs. Run, man!
Run!
No. I don't. What?
George!
How? What happened?
Come here!
No!
Amir,
He had a boat.
Go.
How many boats does this guy have?
Dude,
Wait. Dream?
Yeah?
Guys.
He's this way, come on.
Okay.
I'm above you guys.
What? What? Wait.
Where?
Look up, look up!
Oh my goodness, he's
up there.
right there!
Wait, where?
The little
can see
green
him.
He's
bubble.
there. I can see
Okay.
him.
What is he doing up
Go
there?
up, tower. Oh, he's got a bow, he's got a bow!
Oh god, watch
my
out, watch
goodness.
out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, careful, careful,
Safe tower,
careful.
safe tower, safe tower, safe tower,
Okay.
safe tower.
I am. Oh, ah!
Yeah, the fishing
Yes,
rod.
I got him.
He's gonna knock you off with a fishing rod.
Watch out,
Wait,
he's
what?
trying to knock you off with the fishing rod.
Okay.
Just how safe?
Just put blocks around you. Put blocks around you.
Yes!
What?
Oh my god!
do?
Oh my god!
No,
Wait,
no,
what? Yes! What? How did he do that? No.
Guys, grab our stuff,
Wait, watch out! He's trying to. Wait, when did they make the fishing rods OP like that?
Oh my goodness.
He jumped down.
Go.
He's getting
Oh my
stuff, he's
god.
getting stuff,
He's
George!
going.
Wait, Santa, what?
Divided by 2.
What?
Yeah, come here, Dream! I see you! Come on, Dream!
Yeah,
Where are you
here,
gonna go?
come up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's our
Where
bridge.
you came
Going to our
from.
bridge, he's
No!
Get him
Oh
up.
my god.
Wow.
Bye!
Oh, guys, here it is.
Go.
Go.
Get in.
And oh wait, this is not ours. Where is
Where
this?
are we?
Where are
This is in a different spot. Okay. I think this is Dream's portal. Oh, Dream, where are you? Do you guys see him?
No.
Just track
Just
him.
go this way.